Welcome back to our channel, guys. It's a beautiful day today, and beautiful, beautiful and breezy. So, um, I'm going to. What else I'm gonna show you? So I'm here at the porch, of course, and in one of in our master bedroom. So this is the outside here. Some of so as you know, we live here already, but there's still a lot of things that we have to finish, like little by little. And so this is our view on the other side. Our friend from Arizona already owns this property here. They just closed their deal last week, so they might be building a house right here. So, and that's gonna be their view. And what else? I'm going to take you down. I can show you we have the Buhico, which is the Bohol electric company is here. That's what Buhico means. Kidding you. And we run our generator because they're transferring our power to the main power. So that's why we have our generator running. This generator is 11.5 kVA. So it runs our master aircon, our refrigerator, and all the lights, and the water pump. So you can hear. That generator is supposed to be a silent type, but I think this is the silent version of a noisy one. Jim has a half bath on it. It's not, it's not clean yet, so they're finalizing everything here. I'm gonna show you, and the garage also has a little room upstairs. Some stairs, and this is our water water pump place. Those are extra from our roofing that I kept, so yeah, we were able to use it. Those are actually the extra soffits and extra roofing, so it works. You just have to keep what. So like I said, we're transferring the power to the main line, and I'll show you guys. They're working right now. So this is our main gate. Nakadaog sa kuan Jirna, sa kurente, sa generator ako ano, pump. Oh good. kay our water pump is only 1.5 horsepower, so they're able to the generator, yeah, so that's good. We have our own transformer because of the load that we have. So I think I told you that on my one of my videos, that we bought our transformer from Cebu. It's 25 kVA. It's cost 96,000. So I'm working on our what you call this? Not our driveway, our common driveway. So Monet, if you're watching, Daraday, aga tong common driveway. Monet said we're gonna put a automatic gate here. So that's the guys that's installing our transformer. So that's good that we have our own transformer, so we're not relying, we don't have a good power supply. Yun sa manintaon na ninyo pagdadi ha. Arang bugat. So that's the transformer. Inyong hikot dana. Arang gini sila kuan oy. Mga Filipinos are scientists.
Okay na ba?
Masangat na. So they were able to bring the transformer over there. That's a heavy one. So heavy. Look at that. Oh, they just started and put it up there. Wow. Dali ara oy. So even here at the road, this is the view whenever you from our area. That's our driveway, and whenever you go down, that's the view that you can see. Not bad, huh? So that's why Mike likes our location here. We're not on the road, but we're close to the road, so which is nice. Here's the bus. Beep. So I'll take you back to the house. That's actually a chapel. It's a Catholic chapel. So that's our action for the morning. Installation of our transformer, and the test. We test our, because they have to turn off our power, so it's perfect timing for us to test our generator, which good. It's running good. So we have wild. I think somebody planted all these flowers. So this driveway, we have a future plan on this one. We planted some. So this is our hood here, and driveway to our gate, and that's the gate of the La Jolla Dive Resort, and this is the gate of the owner of this one is from UK. This is gonna be our driveway, and this is Monet and Steve driveway. Napadyog mga kahoy dayo, pag yun in town ako mahakot. Sao na lang ning akong pagkabisi sa akong beauty. Ha? Oh, ingnas titing. Oh, ingnas titing. Kay aron mapintala na ni. Kay kana sakto ka ng kuanan, gas converter. Okay, hindi ko na siya. Ito na, butang naman siguro ang power. Oh, nara. Sir, asa man dari, sir? Okay na to, sir? Okay na? O pa? So, I really like the way our little pump house here turns out. Oh my god. Of course, I have some plants in here. So this little house here, we have water supply from the barangay, and then we store it here, and then we have a water pump that we use for inside the house. So it's 1.5 horsepower, which is really good. It has a really good pressure. Sometimes the barangay waters, sometimes turn it off sometimes because they might be fixing some water lines, but so far so good. So this is of course the two-car garage, and got my little, still have a lot of work on the landscape, but those are just things that pasisang tama ng pasisang. Pasisang is doing a sunbathing, so next time she's going to ask a bathing suit for me. Who knows? She might. So this is the side of the house. I think I didn't show you this yet. So side of the house here, the other side of the house. I still have to put some stone in there, and we still have right now we still have the view here because whenever Steve and Monet put their house in there. And then the other side of the house, just going to show you all the sides of the house. So we pretty much maintain it. So this is the other side of the house, and that's our clean kitchen. We have a clean kitchen here. We really try to maintain the area. Oh, nang ikin, oh. This is Ate Kayla here. Nagunsa man kakay? Nagbantay kasi isda? Kaluoy. So we put this little walkway here, connect to the house. Kaluoy. So this is our clean kitchen. Say hi. So we pretty much have everything in this little thing here. A sink, and this one we're not finished, of course, painting this, but we still have to put something there to put all those but I just want to have this open so that it's easy to clean, easy to maintain. So we have this nice what you call stove here. We only have one gas tank on this one, which is the big one on the side. Our tank is going to the house. They run it from here. It's underground so that it will be safe. And that's our tank on the side. So Saint, Saint, no, Saint, no. Nagikaon naman. So that's it, guys, and that's the update. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.